Villagers of Taijijing laments over the failures of the government to look into their inconveniences, including deplorable road conditions. Deputy Director of Environment and Climate Change Department, Tingujam Bogin, appeals people for their cooperation in saving wetlands of the state. And Union Health Ministry confirms the second positive case of coronavirus in Kerala. A very good afternoon to you all. I'm Colonel Sambanduram presenting you this Sunday afternoon news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. Villagers of Taijijang have been urging the government to look into the deplorable road conditions of their area. Impact News reporter Bhakta Taurangbam and camera person P. Bobo bring you an exclusive report in this regard.
Tamelong District Headquarter dagi kilometer 35 aduga Imphal dagi kilometer 112 lapna Barak Turil gi torbanda city gi nil khongbadagi tamna leiriba Taijijang khul lengak amadi mari leinaba department singi mieng watpadagi hiram khudimakta sothaduna leiri Tamelong District Headquarter ga amatta ngairba phauna lambi oiriba Barak Turil da matam gu chunaba thung amatta sadana ngasi phawba leirakpa asina Taijijang khunja singda awabagi matakta hena awaba mapiri Taijijang khul khakta natna khul asiga thangnana leiriba Tongtao, Chingkhonglong, Jalek Jang, Tingkau, Amadi, Pabramgi, Khunja Singna, District Headquarter Chatnaba Honabada, Barak Turelgi Imaida, Apik Pahi Amagi Mating Loduna Sathok Sasin Taunari, Nongju Thagi Matam, Barak Turelgi Imai Wangba Matamda, Taijijang Yauna, Atopa Kulsing Asigi, Khunja Singna, District Headquarter Chatnaba Honabada, Khudong Shadaba Kayama Mayo Unhali, Turel Tasinduna, Miyoi Kya, Siba Pawba Yaukre Haina, Taijijang Kulgi Chairman, Atui Kamain Tamlagli.
Accident thokpa haibse hi masa oibenina adum accident thorga mi siba phawba leiri aduna thong si sagani haina government trap digi haibni adu hojik phawdi semdri aduna government try digi trap digi na ekhoi khundigi na ase khuntruk tre phawba se lambi se sempham lei haibse aina hajaning bini khoi khumban se leibinina agriculture ke trap digi su department digi su kari kari thaba phaba hangam gumba alu gumba kobi gumba kari kari tapak lau se sempham yam lei haduna ekhoi khongban sida government trap digina adum pibira di ekhoi si thuna chawkhatkani adu education gi so school gi so phajana oja ji thabira u haibse ei chairman trap digi adum hajani
Sanita Leba, Taijijang Kulki Oina, Taknaba Apava Ising, Electricity, Ana Langsang, Yumtong Kuding di Oiba, Sanitary Toilet Litawagi Kudong Chadava Lady, Kula Seda Leriba, Amatangairba, Taijijang Village Primary School Infrastructure Amadi, Ozaning Tina Latamana, Kula Sigi Yauna, Manak Nakpada Leba Kulgi Angangsing, Tamenglong Tana, Mahimasing Tambachali, Kula Sida Anaba Yorkpa, Loinana, Nupising Angang Unabamatamda, Ture Landuna Amadi, Ningtina Sembidriba Lambida, Pung Anihum Changna, District Headquarter Tamna Haina, Kullasigi Chairman, Nunamba Pundoragli.
Ekhoi area sida nupi singna delivery tawba matam dasu kino dispensary gumba doctor gumba laitabani wana charaga siba phawba se ekhoi area da dum leiri education se ekhoi school si to matik chadri oja si jam tharaktri oja se primary school ni ekhoi da leibi se aduna oja se ani hum khakta lei aje mari manga tru gumadi leifam thokpani adubo leidri aduna government try digina oja se thabira u haibse aina pamjabani aduna ekhoi awatpa haibse am awatana backward oidina leiba area oire ekhoi taijang se
District Headquarter Yonaba Lambi Patabagi Awaba Kya Lairakasu, Kula Sigi Lifeline Oriba, Barak Turel Sigi Imaida, Kumja Lising and Itrama Panda, Lengang the Tongama Sargani Haibagi Tazaba, District Deputy Commissioner Kutanga, Kangalak Palakre, Adubu, Hojik Pawbagi, Tabak Amata Pakat Palatri, Hojik Laiba Lenga Asina, Singamadi Tamgi, Sakot Tarangi Oiba, Policy Program Kya Lairabasu, Taijijang Yauna, Manak Nakpadalaiba Kulsingda, Kanaba Mata Pangbalatri, Hojik Laiba Lenga Asina, Yam Namak Tuna, Tongama Sabangam Kiro Harabasu, Kum Kangdana Barak Turil, Satokshasin Toba Yagadava, Life Saving Jacket Yawa, Achoba Hikara, Atuba the PBU Haina, Chairman as an appeal Toragli.
Pahibisi, he Asoba Darkalai, Thong Se, Equi, Akinodigi, Taiyanga Bongwaijanga Samnaba Braksi Lan Thokpa Aduna Thong si Darkali Kungi Lan Base Aina Hajaning Badi government try to gina government and Nungsi Bidina Kun area sida development se Puto have se PVO have se a trap digita Hajaning Bini.
Tamelong district ki manung sana leba Bongaijang dagi horaga Taijang amadi atoba kun teret paunariba Amatangarba Barakturil sida matam kya dagi sadana leriba Thong asida maram oiraga lamdam asida leirima miyam da sathok sasin tawbada yamna hena kudong chadaba mo oheli lenga kasu hana yanakraba sadana leiriba thong asi athu matamda sabiba haibasi lamdam asida leiriba miyamgi apamani camera person pibogoloina pawdam jariba bakta trom impact news Taijijang.
Welcome back. Deputy Director of Environment and Climate Change Department, Thengujam Bogain, has urged the people for their support and cooperation in saving the wetlands of the state. He was speaking at the World Wetland Day event held at the Phomnom Path Tourist Home in Saijind, Palak, Infal East today. 9 various clubs in and around Whitehall Lake organized the event under the aegis of Directorate of Environment and Climate Change, Government of Manipur. Bogand asserted that more than 100 lakes earlier found in the state are extinct due to the negligence of the people in preserving and protecting the environment.
Matam amada ngasidagi na sahi yankai humbugi mamangda lairamba akoigi part samaga yankai mug lairamba manungda hujikti part asi only just kuntrani fukhata ngaisalakpasi akoi masi mangsil laibasi tai natabida akoigi siltation na maram moidana akoigi akoibada laiba maduda tariba tasalliba akoigi singkok tharakpadagi singdagi siltation toroktana tasalakpa aduga maruwaina people singna khangdadana and cross toksalakpa mayam sing asina maruwaina aduga part mangdarakpasi maruwaina Maduda Lerakpa eutrophication Tolaktana, Madu Manghalakpa, Madu Kangsangiba, Madubuni, Magi process tea, Akwagi, part amagi process, eutrophication Tolaktana, Mangsalapa, Kangsalapuduna, Tokaiba Podamni Aduga, and Crossman Amasung Siltation Tohanba, Asina Hena, Yamna Sativa Potamkane.
Thangwaiband MLA Kumukjam Joy Kisan asserted that the public have ceased to extend solidarity and cooperation to the local clubs as the club members are working to merely gain personal profits instead of striving for the welfare of the public and the society. He was speaking at the 28th Foundation Day celebration of Thangwaiband Youth Center at Thangwaiband Hejam Diwand Laikai today. Speaking in the event held at the club's office, Joy Kisan said that the various clubs and civil society organizations of the state are mostly business-oriented instead of service-oriented. Hence, they have ceased working for the welfare of the public. He urged those concerned to work earnestly and sincerely and further appealed to take up other jobs if they are reluctant to do so. Sandrella Huyamd, who bagged a gold medal in the 59 kg category in women's weightlifting at the recently held Khelo India Youth Games in Guwahati, was also felicitated on the occasion.
Laikai ki thabak tawriba club ki thabak tawrisu leibak ki thabak tawge haragadi nakai singna tawbiyoba leibak ki thabak tawgbagi namada aigi imungi kanana ba aigan aigi shandan lambi oinaba se club ki mine de hangoiba club ki min tholagadi laikai ki wayan tawmi antarga adu ma sathagragadi leibak si mulakani adu dani ngasi Manipur club mayam mayeng tarakna club mayam mawalona rakisidan youth center ki club tana Manipur labor club singna laibak ki thabak tawge tholagadi laibak ki thabak chengna ta sengna tawbiu ngasi Manipur karam ihuda Manipur ki public na support tawni yebo tawning de maramdi iholu singba sigi determination je seng de.
President of Lining Thosanamahi Temple Board cum Art and Culture Minister Langpok Lakpon Jayanth Kumar has released Lining Thosanamahi Temple Board's book, which highlights the various rules and regulations to be followed by a Sanamahi family today. The book includes topics such as Sanamahi Lining Chatna Kanglond, Lining Kudam and Sanamahi Lining Firald Lehanba. The event was held at Haying Khongbald in 1st Manipur Rifle Complex.
yam important oiba yam historic oiba ऐतिहासिक oiba makalgi thoram amani adana haibada haibin matho en kanjai learning shu pama meeting basing se nong ge sum hengalakma but tawuddi learning shi dam ta kai to ga ge khangje da mayam am di yaw learning shi wakhalon de pam masida tongan makli khunai kangbu ikabui chenok sin kangbu sin moi lakpe yoy landuk sanamagi matik mai adana mar loina konjilak pa haibatai adubu konjilaga su madugi damakta ne leiriba body sina ngasi wabu kan mi to ngam driba haibatai aduna karigumba akhoi murti ama leiba taragadi kayat suna leiba tangai fadaba leiba dongna saname laining su pamjai na haiba taragadi saname laining su kaino de khangma mathau tarakpa chatna kanglon si kari.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. Please stay tuned for more news and update. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Sunday Afternoon News. Union Health Ministry has confirmed the second positive case of coronavirus in Kerala. The patient has a traveled history from China. The patient was tested positive for novel coronavirus and is in isolation in the hospital. The patient is stable and is being closely monitored. It may be mentioned that India's first positive novel coronavirus case was confirmed in Kerala on 30th of January. Meanwhile, Indians who were brought back to India from Wuhan in a special flight are kept under careful observation. Deaths toll for the coronavirus epidemic has reached up to 304 in China till date. It may be mentioned that World Health Organization (WHO) has already announced the coronavirus outbreak as a global health crisis. Altogether, 52,332 passengers were screened from the 326 flights by the Indian government, and 97 people who were suspected people for having the virus have been kept in isolation facilities. 324 Indians who were brought to India from Wuhan are being monitored closely by doctors in special camps at New Delhi, and 104 individuals are being kept at ITBP Chawla camp. A special Air India flight has brought back 323 Indians and 7 Bangladeshi to New Delhi from Wuhan today. JobTheminasi.com facilitate the winners of Talent Search Examinations 2019 today. The examination was held with an aim to provide scholarships on December 2019. Scholarships were also distributed to the students on the occasion. Speaking at the event at the indoor stadium of Oriental College, Tagilpat, Additional Director of SSA Manipur, Takelambam Fulland, expressed the need to nurture youths as they are the future pillars of the nation. He asserted that the economy of our state will enhance only when human resources are strengthened. The Kelambam Fulland lauded the initiatives taken up by JobTheminasi.com. Speaking on the sidelines, proprietor of JobTheminasi.com, Amos Sagolshem, said that JobTheminasi.com is a web portal related to education. He asserted that the web portal took up the scholarship scheme for students between class 5 to 10 since academic sessions 2019-20. Bosemt Deputy Secretary Sija Gurumayum Jitelal Sharma, headmistress of St. Joseph's Higher Secondary School, Sister Flower Lit, and headmistress of Little Flower School, Infal, Sister Kaini Martha, graced the event.
Education website rin laizam ko jobtheminasi.com ana career related website ne haitare portal loina ko portal se kamai advertisement tawge se na thijar pane thijar ko matung sida koina billboard nung advertisement tawda changada paisa mayam do ada koi students sing sida moi doina moi jesu ko na tung ko na seasoner kadba yar ba website mo obina moi jesu kana boina moi jesu khangu boina oina ba na koina awareness oina pina boina dugi pandam doina panglu sagibane.
Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Villagers of Taiji Jing laments over the failures of the government to look into their inconveniences, including deplorable road conditions. Deputy Director of Environment and Climate Change Department, Thingujam Bhogant, appeals people for their cooperation in saving wetlands of the state. And Union Health Minister confirms the second positive case of coronavirus in Kerala.